Okay guys, this is a 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy Edition. All-wheel drive, armory green color, rebuilt title, damage was in the rear. Tailgate bumper, a little bit of the floor pan was damaged. No airbags deployed. Start it up. This does have, it's kind of like a summons, but a park assist where you can have it drive forward and backward. 29,419 on the miles. This does have LED, lights in here, so ambient lighting. Power lift gate, adaptive cruise, lane assist, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel. .360 camera. So 4 wheels, a locking differential, downhill descent, wireless phone charging. Navigation. Two sunroofs. Kind of, I don't know if it's quite suede, but maybe it's suede. Yeah, suede with bows. All weather floor mats. VIN number. Sunshades there for the kids. Rear heated seats. Captain chairs here on the rear. 2 more seats here. The all-weather floor mat there. It's got a power adjust there. This seat adjusts in all different ways and power. It's pretty slick. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Never seen that. It does have a little bit more aggressive tires on there. Again, this is where the damage was. Brand new tailgate, came straight from the dealer. Brand new bumper straight from the dealer. This is the all-weather floor mat here. Let's see. Oh, you got rear AC controls back here. Plugs. Looks like you can control those here. Everything fits like it should. Yeah, that's a really good looking color. Does look like it's got a little impression there. Blind spot monitors in those mirrors. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.